Quickly, the storms came in last night. Quickly, they left. And today, Chamber of Commerce weather.
Yeah, weather is a lot calmer for today. Some of us has a pretty decent amount of precipitation too here in East Texas. We're thankful for the rainfall that we were able to receive. It certainly was great. Now we're going to get set for some colder temperatures, but we do need to talk about last night, as well as we had a couple of tornadoes that did touch down here in East Texas. We're just getting word of that from the National Weather Service. Here's a look at the rainfall totals first. Rainfall amounts generous once again. We will take it. You know, we're in a drought situation right now, so anything that we can get to fall from the sky, yes, we will take it from good Mother Nature. Rainfall amounts nearly an inch in some areas like Hideaway, 9/10, but you get just north of there, Northwest Smith County had about an inch and a third of rainfall. Many sites 6/10 to almost 3/4 of an inch. But once you get outside of Southwest Smith County, the amounts begin to pick up. Cumberland Ridge, an inch and a half. Frankston, over an inch and 3/4. Nearly 2 inches in Athens. Natchez had over 2 1/4 of an inch of precipitation. The Cherokee County Airport, almost an inch and a half there. Alazan, 1.36. West Lufkin, over an inch of rain. Crockett and Priscilla, around an inch and a quarter to an inch and a third. Certainly thankful for our precipitation. A lot of strong thunderstorms that came through, not just for us here in East Texas, but where the storms originated back in portions of South Oklahoma near Texoma. 2-inch diameter hail in portions of Wichita Falls. But we also had a couple of tornadoes that touched down in East Texas. These are going to be classified as two separate tornadoes, but they were part of the same storm. This was in the early morning hours, around 12:15. This first one here about 9 miles south of Scottsville, and then the second one here about 5 to 7 miles just southwest of the Wascom area, and that storm worked its way into Louisiana. EF0 on this first one here, southeast of Marshall, the one closer to the border. EF1 tornado, max winds between about 80 and 95 miles an hour. Outside for us right now, we are looking at a clear sky, and that temperature in response is already cooling down. We have many areas into the 50s, 58 in Mount Vernon, Gladewater at 57, 60 in Henderson, 64 in Jacksonville, Elkhart at 61, Zavala at a temperature of 65. We've got chilly weather for tonight. We are down into the mid and the low 40s to start tomorrow. We'll get to near 70 in the afternoon, but notice by tomorrow evening, temperatures begin to cool down a whole lot more, and we're getting set for Saturday morning, middle to low 30s. Frost looks likely, and another light freeze cannot be ruled out. It is a cold start to our weekend. Saturday, despite sunshine, a difficult time to make it to around 60 degrees. Then we'll start to warm things back up. Next week, we're on our way to the upper 70s and near 80. What a roller coaster ride it has been here in the month of November. Deep East Texas, we've got a milder day tomorrow, but then it gets colder and then it gets warmer again. That's East Texas fall, right?
At least the ride is free, all right?
That's true.
True. News Nation.